Want fast wins instead of waiting hours or days? This 5-minute scalping strategy gives you high probability entries in minutes, not weeks. This strategy is built for quick, active scalpers, using multiple time frames and a few key tools to pinpoint short moves. Here's how it works. Use the 5-minute chart as your main scalping time frame. Add key moving averages to define trend, fast versus slow. Confirm momentum with a reliable oscillator. Buy rules. 1. Price is trading above the moving averages. Trend is bullish. 2. Wait for a pullback toward the fast MA on the 5-min chart. 3. Enter when the oscillator turns up from oversold and a bullish candle closes above the pullback low. 4. Place your stop loss just below the recent swing low. 5. Take profit quickly. Aim for a small fixed target or a 1.1.5 risk to reward. Sell rules. 1. Price is below the moving averages. Trend is bearish. 2. Wait for a retracement up toward the fast MA. 3. Enter when the oscillator turns down from overbought and a bearish candle closes below the pullback high. 4. Stop loss just above the swing high. 5. Take profit toward the next minor support or a 1.1.5 risk to reward. Scalping moves quick. Trade only during active sessions like London or New York. Use tight stops and never overtrade. Small wins add up fast. This strategy helps you capture fast, clean moves on the 5-min chart. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download your free indicators and templates. Start scalping smarter today.